Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will show how to control floor heating and a high-power electric boiler using a Helsinki display. We start by wiring the devices. The floor heating actuator is a low-power load, so it can be controlled directly from the Helsinki. The internal relay supports up to 200 watts, which is enough for floor heating control. We connect the floor heating to the output one. The electric boiler is a high-power device rated at 2 kilowatts. So we do not connect it directly to the Helsinki. Instead, we use an external relay. It is very important that the relay coil is rated for 230 volts, because this is the control voltage provided by the Helsinki. We wire the relay accordingly, connect it to output 2, and also connect the neutral conductor. Once all wiring is complete, we power up the system. After the display boots up, we open the user app. We go to Menu, choose Settings, then Displays, and select the Helsinki. Next, we open Relays and choose Add Output. For output 1, which controls the floor heating, we add a passive heating and cooling device. We name it Floor Heating. Place it on the Academy dashboard and select Relay 1. We also assign a temperature sensor using the internal temperature sensor of the Helsinki. Then, we submit and finish.
Next, we add the second output for Helsinki.
We choose Electrical Outlet, name it Water Heater. Place it on the Academy dashboard and select Relay 2. We submit and finish. Now we configure the Helsinki knob for floor heating control. We open the Helsinki settings, navigate to the knob field, and select the Add Knob Widget option. We select Floor Heating, Save, and Finish. The floor heating now appears directly on the knob. From this point on, when we turn the knob, the floor heating activates immediately. When we switch on the boiler, the external relay clicks right away, and the high-power load is safely controlled. After a short moment, we can see the floor heating valve opening as expected. With a single Helsinki display, we can easily control both floor heating and a high-power electric boiler in a clean and safe way. See you in the next video.